Hi everyone and welcome back to Saving with Jessica. Today I'm going to be updating you guys on my Make It Rain Savings Challenge. I need to deposit for the last 6 weeks for the Savings Challenge. So I already have my money set up right here. These 6 right here. I have the tape on them already so I could turn them around. So I need to deposit $20 for October 25th. November 1st, November 8th, November 15th, November 22nd, and yesterday, November 29th. All right, now I have a grand total of $240 for this challenge. That's crazy. It doesn't even look like that much money on this board right now. This is going to be so cool once it's all filled. Oops. All right, now that's stuck on me. All right, so far so good. This is the start of the savings challenge. Let me know if you guys are doing this challenge with me. Let me know if anybody's doing it the way that I'm doing it on the poster board. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video when I update you guys on the savings challenge. All right, bye guys.